Did you know cracking your knuckles might not cause arthritis? Many believe this myth, but science tells a different story. Studies show no direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. In fact, the sound comes from gas bubbles in the joints. So, what about the pain some feel after cracking? That discomfort is often due to overstretching, not arthritis. So, go ahead and crack those knuckles if it feels good. But remember, moderation is key to avoid any strain. Now you know the truth behind this common myth.